So when we saw the data for the first time, we had this immediate wow moment where we actually saw what machines were busy. It wasn't just anecdote. If we didn't have Amper, we wouldn't have that real-time, high-quality data coming from the shop floor. I'm Nick Sainati. I'm the general manager at Belden Universal. We are a precision machine shop that specializes in universal joints and drive shafts for the aerospace, defense, medical device, and industrial sectors. Belden is my family's company, and I joined it from a Fortune 100 retailer that ran Oracle. And when I came to my family's business, a 50-person machine shop, I was amazed that I had no visibility as to whether my $500,000 machines were running or not, unless I was out on the floor standing in front of them with a stopwatch. So I immediately started looking around for okay, how do I gain this visibility? Now, we go forward to Amper, and we're able to see all of this data in real time. We're able to, see where the work is, where we have capacity, where we need to add additional capacity. We can be highly specific about which machines we should add and when.
Before we had Amper, everything was done manually with what we call tally sheets. We've seen the value with Amper just because of how much less we have to work with the data and how quickly I can get answers to other people in production when they have questions.
Amper's been critical in all of our capital expenditure decisions. When we consider whether we need to buy a new machine, we're doing that entirely in a data-driven process. Given the volatility in the world today, I think we're able to use Amper to plan our capacity. I think the biggest question for any manufacturer is do you have enough capacity for the work you have, and do you have enough work for the capacity you're going to buy? And so being able to forecast in a very precise and accurate way is essential, and we wouldn't know that without Amper. We use the Amper setup module for every setup in our production area. Being able to parse apart the elements of every given setup allows us that visibility to figure out where are we losing time. Because we're able to have that kind of fine-grained data down to the machine, down to the part, down to the operator, we're able to make improvements that really do move the needle over time.
I'm always looking at the scoreboard because in real time I can see if machines are up or not. I can see if they're on setup. Basically, I can see without leaving my desk if we're applying the resource to the machine that should be there. Without Amper, I don't think I could have told you what a machine was doing at 11 o'clock the day before.
So the Amper team's been incredibly helpful in our journey. From day one, getting the algorithm to calibrate, making sure everything was running properly, making sure we had no issues with reception on the shop floor. The Amper success team has really kind of pushed us to continue to deploy, to continue to get value, to really get the most out of this system. It's not as if they sold in this product and just kind of forgot about us. They've been invested the whole way.